Today, I'm going to tell you about the secret of how much a stockbroker or corporate financial advisor can make. When you watch Wolf of Wall Street, right, always see people throw money here and there.
Like all these finance people can make a lot of money like that.
So today, time for me to kepo and tell you
How much all these finance people are really making.
Hey guys, it's HY, your investing friend. Recently, Mercury Securities Group Berhad is going to be listed.
Basically, Mercury is a stockbroker plus financial advisor for corporate deals like IPO lah, M&A lah, etc.
So they need to disclose every secret about their business in the prospectus. Wow, now I'm so excited to correct all of this for you. I read this thick book until I bought 2 part just to share with you all of this. So please like, follow and share, okay? Okay, now let's start. Mercury Securities, they charge from
0.05 to 0.6% brokerage fee every time you trade. You win or lose also kena charge.
Like for example, the stock market was very hot in 2020 and 2021 nah. So all the uncle auntie from pasar also went to trade stocks. Mercury customers trade over 8 billion ringgit and Mercury Securities just short like that also earn over 37 million ringgit each year in 2020 and 2021. But in 2022 and 2023, market start to cool down, cannot move liao. So Mercury brokerage fee also dropped a lot until 13 million ringgit in 2022. And looking at this trend, brokerage fee in 2023 will be even lower lah. I know you're still waiting for me to review how much
Stockbroker and financial advisor can make.
Now let's understand how stockbrokers make money first. Brokerage fees is not the only money that stockbrokers like Mercury Securities earn from you. They also earn a lot from margin financing and placement fees. Because many traders out there, they like to borrow money to trade ma. You can trade up to 2.5 times the money that you put in your account. Let's say if you put 100,000 ringgit, then you get to trade 250,000 ringgit. Stockbrokers, they will charge like
4.5 to 18% interest rate on the borrowed money
to traders. Easy money. This is also where 70% of the money raised from IPO of around 26 million ringgit will go to. So Mercury Securities is going to use the money that they raised to provide better margin facility for their customers. Basically is to get more money for their customers to trade lah. And Mercury Securities can just shake leg and earn interest from their customers.
There are two kinds of businesses in Mercury.
Number one, stockbroking business, and another one is corporate finance. Mercury Securities is also the same. The stockbroking business contribute about 70 to 80% of their revenue, and corporate finance business contribute 20 to 30%. Wow, this corporate finance business in Mercury Securities got many stories to tell. Very dramatic, I tell you. Before that, some background about what corporate finance team do. So basically, they give advisory service to PLC that want to do corporate actions like takeover and mergers lah, private placement lah, right issues lah. Mercury Securities also help private companies to do IPO and earn a fee from that advisory business man. So it is very dependent on your people. So what happened in 2022 to Mercury Securities is that one whole team from the corporate finance department left Mercury Securities, and that took away roughly 30% of the company's revenue and profit. Fuluma, confirm got drama here, but sadly they didn't write out what happened here lah. If you know, you tell me lor. Let's talk about salary. I know this is the part that most of you are waiting for. Based on what is disclosed in the prospectus, the average salary or commission of a dealer or remiser in Mercury Securities can make is around 70k to 130k every year. So now you know how much your dealer or remiser are making every month. Around 6 to 10k every month, depends on the market condition lor. But the interesting part is
how much the corporate financial advisor are making.
These are the people that you see every day walk in walk out with suit and tie. How much do you think they are making? Around 250k to 470k every year. That is like around 20k to 40k every month. Fuluma, let me take 5 minutes to cry first. Why I earn so less? By the way, these figures include all their bonuses and EPF lah, so it is not their basic pay, huh? Well, the corporate finance team really hit hard when the whole team left Mercury Securities last year.
Now Mercury Securities are left with only 3 teams in the corporate finance business.
I doubt Mercury Securities will be able to correct a new experienced team from their competitors in very short period of time lah.
Remember, the old team that left used to contribute closer to 30% of Mercury's sales.
Having said that, they still have around 32 ongoing corporate finance advisory jobs of 10 million ringgit yet to be built, even though these are not a lot of deals compared to their previous years where they can complete 100 to 300 deals. But if they can raise someone internally or correct some experienced advisor from their competitor, then they are still in the game. Time is ticking! By the way, when you are reading the financials of Mercury Securities, please remember to exclude the contribution of the former corporate finance team because the revenue and profit will change 360 degrees after you exclude that. On the side of stockbroking business, it is a very highly regulated business. So it is quite hard for new entrants to enter the market and compete with them. Having said that, most of the existing players are already very strong in the market, so it is not easy for Mercury Securities to win over market share, especially in stockbroking business. Currently, Mercury Securities only have less than 1% market share in the stockbroking business. This can be a good or bad thing. The bad thing is Mercury Securities has been in the market since 1992, but they still only have less than 1% market share. But if you look at the flip side, if Mercury Securities can use the money raised from IPO properly, even if they just manage to increase their market share from 1% to 2%, that is more than double their stockbroking revenue and profit already. So what do you think about this IPO? Anyway, stay safe and stay strong investing. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!